Hello guys, welcome to my episode of my YouTube channel. Friends, today I'm going to tell you about a stand. So how to make it this friends. In my video there is going to be no sound. So friends, let's get started. This is the stand. As you can see here, I'm going to tell you about how to make it. So friends, let's get started. So friends, to make this you need one of the ATM card. So this is over here. Then you have to remove this plastic. So as you can see here I am removing the plastic of my ATM. If you all remove this, so it will form like this in this space. So you can see here. So friends, as I told you that there will be no sound on this, but sorry for that. I have to insert it so tightly that I am not able to remove that much hide in bed. Friends, the video will be so long because of this. Sorry for that. First, your ATM card will work. I'm not thinking about this, so your ATM card will work in this. So friends, here you can able to see here. Let me focus. Here there are many numbers. There are many numbers in the ATM card. Friends, it's so tightly it has stick that I can't able to remove. Finally friends, it has been removed, and here you can see here. See, camera focus. So friends, here you can see some of the numbers which is over here. They have rotated. So this number contains your all of the card data. When you insert in your ATM card, it will display you. So friends, let me remove this front cover. First, till I remove, I will pause my. So friends, here it has been removed. First, to make this stand, you have to be a type of an ATM card. So ATM cards itself, it has been displayed. Let me start the making of this. So let me set it. Friends, first check your back. Friends, here you can see here there is a Z shape. So friends, here it's a Z shape. Yeah, it's a Z shape. As you can see, there is a zero of it. It should be a 90 degree. It is a 110 degree, but make sure that you are making of a 90 degree. So friends, let me make this. Friends, to make this angle, you have to measure your smartphone this length or your thickness. Friends, this is my very old smartphone. It was in Samsung Galaxy Mega 6.3. It was launched on December on 2013. It is so 5 years old smartphone I'm using here. So friends, first you have to cut here as well mobile thickness. So friends, keep your smartphone here. Let me display it here. Yeah friends. So cut it here. I'm going to cut and show you what you need for this cutter. And scale. This is the scale you need. You can take any of the scale or the classic scale itself. So you can see here it is a L scale. So friends, let me sign it as friends 30 and 90 degrees. I think so you are seeing well. I hope that. Plus I am taking it kind of little bit friends so that you can see more better. So friends, cut this indicator. So friends, here I have cut this. So you can see here the white patches will be colored, so you have to just fold it on it. So let me try this. Friends, in camera is showing very dark, but in there it's very light to me. So friends, if camera is less focus, but into it's working. So friends, make sure that you are making it as a 90 degree. So let me make it 90 degree. Yeah friends, it has been weathered out in 90 degrees. So let me try like this. My smartphone is sitting or not. Yeah friends, it's perfect. It's setting my smartphone. If I am doing it this way also, oh, it has been slipped. So let me take it out. Yeah friends, here it's set. Friends, you are able to see. Oh, it's perfect. First, now you have to blend equally in these two ways. Equal part we have to just simply slide down and cut. Simply means very simply you have to just bend it on. So let me try. Let me show you. For that you need a scale. Let me bring my scale. For that we need and one scale and one marker. So make it half. Friends, it's 3.6 when I cut it here. So you can see over here and here it's a point. So draw a line. Friends, I'm going to the top of the glass, so you have to adjust it because the camera will be shaking on. Friends, so let me cut this. You can see here one point and here one point. Draw a line. So friends, this is a 90 degree point. So 20 degree, this is like 180 degree a line. So friends, let me bend this. Friends, when this you need a very thick thing just to bend it, and without using the thick or anything else, I'm bending. Make sure that it's all the sides are same. So checking the scale. So friends, it's an equal. So just bend it. Friends, first you bend this of this black corners with your nail. It's over here. I think so. Yeah. So friends, then next same as it is here. So friends, it's building. Friends, it's a stand. So friends, our stand is ready. As you can see here, there has the bottom stand. So let me try this by keeping on my smartphone, which was earlier. Friends, it's perfect. Let me apply the cover and let me. Friends, here I applied my smartphone cover. Let me check it. Yeah, guys, it's settling down. Sorry, I can't change my camera direction, but it's settling. So friends, thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, like it, comment it, and share it. I'll share it with your friends to know how to make this stand. First, the video is not over. I'm trying my in my in my other videos also. So friends, let me see that one it applies or not. Friends, he has a one more type of a phone which is small and it's, friends, it's taking. First, I have taken my camera so you can see it how it will stick it. First, to make you the more height, more than this 5 inches of a very bezel's phone. So if you need to make for that, make sure that you have a big one card or anything which is pair up of this type of plastic, ATM cards or card plastic. So friends, thank you for watching this video. If you like the video, like it, comment it, and share it. Share it on your friends. So friends, thank you for watching the video.